start with our new experience unpopped balloon. Get it? Unpop balloon. Oh, we need this one, and the balloon, and the candle, and this glowy thing who makes fire thingy, and even the water. Okay, let's start. First we need to blow the balloon. Mom, let's do it this way. My mom is gonna help me to do this one. Can you help me? And also my mom helped me to tie it and also blow the candle. I'm scared it's gonna pop or not. I'm scared. Just ran away. 1, 2, go. I'm gonna run. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm scared. 1, 2, ow!
See, it's pumping. Okay, good.
Let's first fill it up. I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. Ah. Okay, this much I'm gonna make. That's not enough. Done. Now my mom is gonna help me again to blow this one. Can you tie it, please? Mama? Now we're gonna put it in the candle. I'm so scared. What? Wow, it's black. Out of smoke. But it takes longer time to burn. How that did it? Please comment below to say that how it did it. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Bye bye.